Hello and welcome back to my channel, and I'm so glad I finally can present the flip through to my 4 little booklets that I made. It was a bit of an adventure. I don't think I do 4 at the same time just as very quickly anymore, but nevertheless it was great fun because I just started, because I got into stitching and patchworking with fabric. Well, it's not a patchwork as such, it's more collaging with fabrics. So I'm very happy they are finished now, and yes, I can go on to other things. But with a lot of pleasure I also would like to show you these little booklets. This is the first one that I started, so I show it to you first. I love them all. I have no preference, but I have to start somewhere. So I talked a lot about it in the previous video, how I made, not how I made it, but I presented these little fabric collage patches. So now we go inside. They are a little bit more close up, so I hope you get a better image of what they are. This one I did with Rachel from Roxy Creations Digital, and this is then the booklet with its first pocket. These little booklets come out of the pockets, and I did not include too many ephemera. They are mainly for journaling, but I do have decorations on the pages. I hope you get to see all the little details. Dyed paper. This is coffee dyed. I used coffee dyed paper, and this is food dye, where I mixed blue and red, and coffee dye. Then I made these stencils, you know, the corrugated cardboard for the lines, stamping, coffee dyed. Stamps, and then I made some pockets with some little tags with more journaling space on the back. And here I have a little side pocket with more paper to journal. I used various papers, so you can see the dyeing effect is different on every paper that I use. I slide back in, and this is the top opening one. Again, coffee dyed, printed lines on coffee dyed paper, food dye paper. I just adore how, I'm not even sure that's in focus. I just adore all the variations of nuances in the colors it made, and a bit of washi tape decoration. Coffee dye, and this opens like this. Another pocket like this with this piece of paper for more journaling. I zoomed in, so I don't know whether you see all the rest that's happening around. Beautiful paper from the digital kit. And this last one, it opens from the back. So it's the last page that actually has the stitched image on it. But of course you can start your journal here. A little cluster. Again the tuck spots and a little tag. Here is also a tuck spot, but I didn't fill it. And we come back to the back, and that lives in here. Now I'm not sure whether I didn't focus in too little of an area. So this is the first one. The second one I flipped through is the one with the ponytail. And the circle, that was the cutout. And then I did use it for more stitching. And this is with these gorgeous colors from a digital kit by Martha. Again, the booklet comes out like this. All coffee dyed papers. These butterflies are from Rachel's kit, because she had 2 big pages just butterflies, so I cut them all out and let them fly all through the booklet everywhere, and butterfly stamps. A little tag in a tag spot. Coffee dyes, different patterns, different laces. And then the one that opens up like this. Again, there are all so many nuances of different colors from the dyeing process. Again, all the butterflies flying through. Hello, birdie. Here you are. You can come closer, I don't mind. Can you hear it? Yeah, say hello. There you are. Oh, it's right next to me on the chair. 2 of them. Hello, hello. Oh, that's just amazing. I hope you can distinguish the noises they make. Yeah, you want to talk too. That's okay. I just have to show these here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Gorgeous. They're gone now. One is still here to the left of me. It's a wonderful, wonderful warm day. For a winter, it is just absolute paradise. Okay. And this is the one with that funny pom-pom that Rachel taught us. Opens like this again. And a tag. They are all very similar, the little booklets inside, and yet everyone is very different. Very specific details, you know, if you like to enjoy detail. I do. So that's probably often why I work more kind of on a minimalistic mode, because I just enjoy little details so very much. This is the one with all the threads. And Gail Agostinelli's digital kit inside. So I'm not quite sure whether I shall show you all. Maybe I flip through a little bit quicker, because they are more or less similar inside. This one I made different. This one I flip it out onto this side, not into here. I like this pattern also very much. This is the top loading one. I hope you get to see the fine details in these patches and stitches and colors. It's just amazing how these birds come and what I have to say. Oh, the back side of the tag, the centerfold, journaling spaces. And the fourth little booklet is where I also incorporated a lot of cat's claw dyeing. This one too, this is all cat's claw dyed fabrics here. The stitching. And this is with Carrie the Crafter's digital kit. I thought I used more paper that I cat claw dyed, but obviously I just did coffee dyed and the food dyed papers, so I dare to say my next project will be with cat claw paper. And I don't know yet what it will be. And then again, the way it opens this way. All the different papers, different stamps, stamping. My little cluster, I only have two, I've only made two of these little clusters. And I love how Rachel's butterflies fly all through the booklets. So, this is the end of my flip through. I thank you for watching, and I thank you for all your comments. And I hope this inspired you a little bit. And I shall see you with another project soon. Bye for now.